This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in Nissan Murano, full guide. Start by parking level and engaging the brake, then locate the drain plug and oil filter. Warm the engine briefly, then shut off and let oil cool slightly. Use a drain pan under the plug, remove the plug carefully, then remove the filter and let oil drain completely before installing the new filter. Warm the engine for just a few minutes to help oil flow, then turn it off and set the brake. Slide the drain pan under the oil pan and carefully loosen the drain plug with the correct socket. Allow all oil to drain until the flow slows to a drip, then reinstall the drain plug hand tight, followed by a small torque. Move to the filter area and remove the old filter slowly to avoid spills. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as a handy companion while you work on your car, making music and timers simple without greasy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before installing the new filter, smear a light coat of fresh oil on the gasket to ensure a proper seal, then hand thread the filter until snug. Remove the oil filler cap and pour in the recommended oil quantity using a funnel to prevent spills. Start the engine for a minute to circulate oil, inspect for leaks around the drain plug and filter, then shut off and recheck the dipstick to confirm the correct level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.